GBPUSD this week has started and also has made a breakout to the downside, and we can see that after the price has pushed the price up, we can see that the Monday has started with the bearish candle, and on the Tuesday the price has closed below, which has been as a bearish breakout. And we can see after the price has made a breakout to the downside, the price has made also continue to fall down but return back up to the previous support 1.26 price level and confirm it as a resistance. Just a minute, let's go a little bit closer. Then after that we can see on a Thursday the price has, on a Wednesday the price has dropped down, Thursday has gone up, and then on Friday again continue to fall down. So we can see that the Friday candle has closed below these two candles, open and close. On the weekly time frame we can see this is the bearish week, and also after the price has made a breakout to the upside, currently this bullish breakout has not been confirmed as a valid one, and it has been a failed one. So we can expect the price to fall even more down. On the monthly time frame we can see that this month has started currently as a bearish, but we have several 3 weeks until this month ends, so everything is still open. After the price has made a bullish breakout, I have said this should be a confirmation, so there is a possibility that the price drops down to this price level where the price currently is, and also this one, which is 1.24 price level, and ultimately as a final one is 1.234 price level. We can see this is the start of this demand zone. So in order to find much more suitable and also possible places where the price could stop on the lower time frames as a weekly and daily, we need to check it. But in order for the price to continue to rise on, this month should not close below 1.256. If it closes below this one, the next level where the price will go is 1.243, and then ultimately 1.232. So on the weekly time frame we can see very important levels which are visible here. So the next one where the price could stop is this 1.248 and also 1.245, which is visible also here. This is the next level where the price could stop on the weekly time frame. So if the price breaks below, the next one where the price could stop is this 1.237, and below that it is 1.232, visible here. As the final one where the price stops is this one here, 1.22 price level, but this is the weekly time frame, so we need to see much more clearly on the daily time frame which are the critical levels for the price. If the bulls would like to continue to rise in value, they need to go above this one, 1.26 price level, which is a very critical resistance level for the price. If the price returns back up on the weekly time frame, this will be a great signal for the bulls, and we could expect the price to rise on and reaching an area around this one, which is the first 1.273, and then this one, which is 1.28 price level. So on the daily time frame we can see that the price made a breakout to the downside, and I'm expecting that the price will drop here at the start of this demand zone, which is 1.247. So when the price drops down, it stops here, right here at the start of this demand zone. But if the price breaks below that, the next level where the price will stop is 1.245, which is also a very important level as explained in the previous week's analysis. So this is the area where I'm expecting, but for the price, if the price returns back up and continues to rise and closes above 1.26 price level, this will mean that the bulls have overtaken again the market, and the price will continue to rise in value, reaching potentially this one start of this supply zone around 1.275 price level. So until this breakout to the upside doesn't happen, I'm still in the bearish mode until the price reaches this area here around 1.245, which is a very critical level, and we can see it here. So if the price reaches this area, we will see what happens then, and then probably next week we will see how the market looks and what are the possible levels. But for now, you can also check my trading community where I'm sharing my trading ideas with entry, stop loss, take profit, which was expected in the previous week analysis that this could happen. So if you would like to check it, you can also check the getnotrading.com website. Below the description this video, you can see also a link to the free PDF where you can get a step-by-step guide how to start trading and also how to use this supply and demand strategy that I'm currently using. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!